Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on creating a logo for your Wix website. A logo is a very crucial element of your brand identity, and with Wix Logo Maker tools, you can create a professional looking logo in just a few minutes. So I'm going to be teaching you there are two different methods. One, with the help of Canva, you can create a logo and then you can upload it to your website. And the other option is that you can directly create a logo through the Wix logo option. So in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to use the Wix Logo Maker tool and how to use the Canva tool to create the custom logo for your website. So I will be covering the basics of logo design, how to choose the right colors and fonts, and how to customize your logo to fit your brand. So first thing first, what you need to do is go to your Wix.com. There you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password and your email account, or you can also use your Google account in order to make sure that your Wix account is working and it is active. After that, it is going to direct you to this type of dashboard. Now, if you are a new user, you must know that you must create a website in order to add a logo and whatever, because Wix website is a popular platform that is going to help you design a new website. So let's just get started on how to create a logo for Wix website. So yeah, let's just get started. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is, number one option is that you're gonna go to this option of, you're gonna type here logo, and when you search here, it is going to give you the logo settings. Here you see you can enter a logo here by uploading the image. As a result of it, you will get your own logos from here if you have any. The second option is that you gotta go to the option of setup. Here you gotta go to your, you gotta go to your homes. You gotta go to your website. Website templates. I'm going to be choosing the template. You can create a new website here. Let's just say I'm choosing this one. What you could do is go to the Wix editor. Here you see it is directly going to give me some template. It might take a while to load it, but it does not make a difference because it is trying to make all the features secure so that I am going to use those logo. Let me just tell you that why a logo is important, because it is more than just a pretty picture. It is the representation of your brand's values and your personality. A well-designed logo can be established. It can establish a trust with your audience. It can differentiate you from your competitors, and it can also make your brand look more memorable. So you see, this is my page. Now I'm gonna go to the elements option here. Then I'm gonna go to the images, and after I go to the images, I can upload an image here. So for that, I gotta switch to my Canva. Here I gotta go to this option of create, and when I click on create, I gotta type here logo. You see there's a logo. I'm gonna click on this. When you click on logo, you gotta create one. For that, let's just see, I'm looking for any of these common logos. Let's just see, I'm choosing this one. You can make necessary change whatever you want. I want to change the color. You can change it if you don't want to. Yeah, this video is just for the sake of the video, so I'm not making major changes, but you know the deal. Or you could go to the designs and change these. But let's just see. Okay, I like this one. I'm gonna be clicking on share. I'm gonna be clicking on downloads. You could also choose some other logo as well. I'm gonna be choosing on downloads, and it is going to download this for me. You see, it has downloaded this for me. Let's just cut and copy it, cut it from here and place it into the suitable website. Let's just see, I place it over here. Paste. Now what I'm going to do is move to my website editor again. Now, as I've told you guys, you gotta move to this add elements option, a plus option here. You see there's an option of image. You could go and upload an image here. You could go click on this upload image. Now you gotta go to your computer. You can actually click on upload from computer, and I had to go to this app option here. You see this is my logo. I'm gonna be clicking in this, and I'm gonna be clicking on open. When I click on open, this is going to load this for me. You see, I can crop or edit it. Let's just crop it first. You can remove the necessary part, that unnecessary part. Okay. You see, I gotta remove this excess portion from here. Make sure I place my main logo part to the center, and I'm gonna be clicking on save. You can also extend it, you can adjust it, you can add filters, you can use object eraser, and I'm gonna be using the drag and drop option to place it somewhere. Now this is my logo. I am going to, you can change the image, you can change the background as well. You can do whatever. So let's just, yeah, this is how I want it. I'm going to change the filters. You can also add the animations. You can also use this option as well. Or you can use these options if you want. You know, this is very basic, but you can also use your own. You can edit the image, you can also use the design option, you can do whatever you want to this. If you like it, you're simply going to go click on this option of preview, so it is going to help you preview it. Or you can go back to the editor as well. So this was the second options by which you can use the Canva to create a logo, and then you are going to save it. After saving it, this is how you're going to upload a logo to your website. This was very basic because it was just for the sake of the video, but you got to create a professional logo, and this is how you're going to paste it on the screen. So yeah, finally add the logo to your Wix website by uploading it to your site setting. You can also customize the logo's placement. So this is the brief introduction of how to add a logo to your Wix website. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you guys in the next tutorial.